Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you all the step-by-step procedures on how to create an AWS instance or AWS server using any operating system. There is a trick in this video which I'm going to be showing you, and this trick is not a popular trick. So make sure you don't forward this video in order not to miss out or to skip over the trick. Let's start. The very first thing to do is to click on Services and select EC2. EC2, this is the EC2 dashboard. When you get on the EC2 dashboard, you must have selected the region where you want to deploy the server on already. So when you get on the EC2 dashboard, you see where it says instances. Here it says instances and I have 0 instance. I'll click on instances. I'll click on launch instance at the top, launch instance. This menu will pop up. You put here, I'll put instance name here. My instance name will be demo 1. That's my instance name. I'll scroll down to select the operating system. I'll be setting Ubuntu I'll be using Ubuntu operating system. Here is the AMI image. I'll be using the free tier eligible. You can select any other AMI image here depending on the purpose of your instance, but for mine, I'll be using the first one, which is the free tier eligible. I'll scroll down instance type. I'll use tier 2 micro. For this, which is still free tier eligible, you can select any other one depending on the purpose of your instance. But for mine, I'll use the tier 2 micro, which is free tier eligible. Key pair. I don't have a key pair created yet, so I will create a new key pair. Create key pair. .pem key pair. Key pair name. I'll do demo 1. Demo 1 to be my key pair name, and I'll create key pair. I want to save my key pair in my download folder. Save. My key pair has been saved in my download folder. Next thing is network settings. Here is where I can open up my ports. I can choose which port to keep open and which port to give access to and all of that. To do that, you need to click on edit here and it will open up that page for you, but I don't want to do that. So here it says create security group. I will choose either I can select security group if I have existing security groups. I will click here and I will click down here and I'll select an existing security group. But for the sake of this demo, I would like to create a new security group. So I'll select on create security group. Allow SSH traffic from, I choose anywhere. And then I also like to allow HTTPS traffic as well. The next thing is to configure storage. My storage, the least storage you can configure on a server is 8 GB, but I would like, for the sake of this demo, I'll do 10 GB. Here is the tricky part which most people don't know about. But before I show you the tricky part, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, as I'll be posting more important videos in the days ahead relating to your IT career and to AWS as a whole. I'll be posting videos like S3 bucket, DNS route, VPS, API gateway, ESF. I'll be posting all these important videos and many other important videos in the IT career. So in order for you not to miss out of these videos, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that once I post these videos, YouTube will notify you and you will watch these videos immediately. Remember, these videos are very, very important. I'll be showing you the details in these videos which no one has ever shown you. I will show you the details in these videos. So make sure you don't miss out on these videos. Please subscribe. Let's continue. Please take note about this trick. It's very important. So when you get here, you click on where it says advanced details. When you click on advanced details, this other menu will pop up again, will open up. You scroll all the way down to the bottom. When you get here, you can paste a script in this box where it says enter user data in the field. You can paste a script in here, and once you launch your instance, the script will execute immediately. To watch the video where I'm demonstrating that, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I will be pasting that video up in the days ahead, so that once I paste the video, you'll be notified and you watch that video. Don't miss it out. But what I'll be doing right now is, so I will click launch instance. When I click on launch instance, you see my instance is being launched. Now I've launched my instance. If I get back to services and get back to EC2, you can see here we have instance 1. At first it was 0. When you click on it, you see this is the instance I just created. This is the instance name demo 1. You click on it, and right now I can connect my instance to a terminal, to any EC2 terminal. I have a video showing you all how to connect an instance to a terminal. 2 different methods, very simple methods. So please make sure you check my videos below to watch that video on how to connect an instance like this one or a server like this one to a terminal. Welcome back. I'm sure you enjoyed the video you just watched right now. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that once I post more interesting videos like this one in the days ahead, which I'm about to post, you will be notified by YouTube and you quickly watch those videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Drop a comment at the comment section, as your comment will help me to improve in my content creating aspects or skills. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. and stay blessed. Please subscribe.